Yeah. Yes, very good morning to all of you. So as I have told you that I will discuss the question and answers only from the chapters Anand's Rainbow and the Tailor and his friend. Okay. So let's start. You will try to give me the answers. Okay. Yeah. So in the page number 105, you can see 105. There you can see the reading is fun part from the chapter Anand's Rainbow. That what did Anandi see outside her window? Can you tell me the answer? What did Anandi see outside her window? I will not write in full sentence. I will just write the answer. Okay. Yes, rainbow. And the rainbow was like a huge and bright rainbow. And the other ones? Yes. So the rainbow was like huge and bright rainbow. Isn't it? So the rainbow was like huge and bright rainbow. Good, all of you. Yes, very good. The second question, was she happy to see the rainbow? Was she happy? What do you think? Tell me. Was she happy to see the rainbow? Was she happy to see the rainbow? Yes. Yes, she was happy to see the rainbow. Yes, she was happy to see the rainbow. Okay. I will write the next question. So, I am erasing the board. Yes, she was happy to see the rainbow. Okay, I am just coming in one moment. Okay, now the number 3. Now, what are the colors of the rainbow? So, what are the colors of the rainbow? What are the colors of the rainbow? We all know the answer. Tell me. So, what are the colors of the rainbow? Yes, there are 7 colors, and the colors are, yes, violet, the colors of the rainbow are, yes, see, violet, Iman, only violet, and the others are violet, indigo, violet, indigo, then blue, yes, blue, green, yes, yellow, orange, red. Very good, all of you. Yellow, orange, red. Yes, so these are the 7 colors of the rainbow. And you can see the let's talk part. There are 2 questions. First question, have you ever seen a rainbow? Yes or no, you will write it on your own. And the number 2, when do you see a rainbow in the sky? When Do you see a rainbow in the sky? Can you tell me the answer? When do you see a rainbow in the sky? Yes, after the rain. I am also just writing only the answer. After the rain. Good. Very good. Yes, we can see a rainbow in the sky just after the rain. Yes, I have just written the only answer, not in full sentence. Okay. So, from the Anandi's rainbow question answers I have discussed. Now, let's come to the chapter. The tailor and his friend. So, I am erasing the board, all of you. Yes, so now come to the page number 117. In the reading is fun part. There are 5 questions. I am not writing the questions. I will just write the answers and I will ask the answers from you. The first one, who was Kalu? Tell me. Who was Kalu? Tell me the answer. Yes, very good. Devdeep, Kaustubh, Iman, Rishabh, and the other ones. So Kalu was a, and the other ones. Right. So Kalu was a tailor. Kalu was a tailor. Right. Number 2. Who was Appu? Then who was Appu? Yes, very good. Right. Appu was an elephant. Very good. Appu was an elephant. Appu was an elephant. Number 3. Where was Kalu's shop? Where was, yes, very good all of you. Where was Kalu's shop? Yes, near the shop, near the river. Kaustubh, just see what you have written near the shop. It will be near the river. Right, all of you. Near the river. Yes, near the river. And the 4th question. What trick did Kalu play on Appu? Tell me in short. Tell me in short. I will not write this and I will just discuss. What trick did Kalu play on Appu? We all know that Kalu pricked Appu's trunk with a needle. So in short we can say Kalu pricked Appu's trunk with a needle, and that is the prank, isn't it? So the prank is that Kalu pricked, I am not saying in full sentence, just saying the answer. Okay. So Kalu pricked Appu's trunk with a needle. Isn't it? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Some of you are typing. Yes, so just, yes, Kalu pricked a needle in Appu's trunk. We can write the answer like this also. Okay. Then the next one, how did Kalu's clothes become wet? How did Kalu's clothes become wet? How did? And you can just say in short that the proper answer only. Can you tell me? How did Kalu's clothes become wet? We all know that the Appu filled his trunk with water and threw the water all over the clothes in Kalu's shop, right? So that's how all the Kalu's clothes become wet, right? So we can write it in short that Appu filled his trunk. Yes, Appu sprayed water all over the clothes in Kalu's shop, and that's how all the clothes become wet, right? So we can write the answer, we can just state the answer like this also. Okay, so I have discussed the question answers part, and you can see in page number 18 you are told to pick the odd one. Let's see. I am not drawing anything, I am just giving you something, and let's see you can tell me the answer or not. I am just writing Sunday, moon, Monday, Friday. So amongst these 4 words, what is the odd one? I have not drawn anything. I have just written yes. Very good. All of you. Right. So the odd one is moon. Good. So you can tell me the answer. Very good. Moon is the odd one here. And let's give you another one. If I give you like, I am giving you, just wait. Book, eraser, cup or pen. Amongst these 4, what will be the odd one? No, just do not go, just look at the board and tell me the answer. Yes, very good, Rishabh, Mahfuzur, Jarin. Yes, cup. So here amongst book, eraser, cup and pen, the odd one is cup, right? Odd one is cup. Good. So as I can see, you can tell the answers, and all of you also please try to tell the answers, okay? Let's give another one. Okay, let me give you. Can you tell me the spelling of garden? Can you tell me the spelling of garden? All of you, let me see. You will just type, because you need to type and tell me the correct spelling. Yes, Mahfuzur, Rishan, Jarin, Iman. Okay, and the other ones, let me see. I think all of you can give me the correct answer. Yes, Ayush, Debayan, okay. Rishabh. Yes, right, Devdeep, good. And the other ones, only some of you are giving me answers. Where are the other ones? Please try to give me answer. Yes, Minazuddin. And the other ones? Now tell me the spelling of favorite. Favorite. The spelling of favorite. Let's see. Yes. Rishabh, Debayon, Fabiorite. Yes. Okay, right then. I'm asking you another. Can you tell me the spelling? That is Trick. Trick. Can you tell me trick, the spelling of trick? Yes, Devayan, right? And the other ones? Good. Okay, Rishabh, Mahfuju, Rishan, Iman, right? Good, good, all of you. Okay, so the TRICK, right? Yes, good. So as I can see that you are quite, all of you quite prepared, and who are not giving answers, please try to give the answers, okay? And practice all the chapters very well. All the chapters including questions, answers also, and spellings also, okay? Practice these. And now please all of you give your present. I will take your present now. Write your present in the chat box and no one will leave. No one will leave. Malik, Devdeep, okay. Yes, Devdeep, Iman, Jarin, okay. Gustav, Fujur, Nazatin, Vishan, okay. Okay, I have taken all of you present, and all of you practice all the chapters very well at your home, okay? And including grammars also and text also. And in next class I will revise the grammar chapters, okay? So all of you practice those very well at your home. So today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you.